Hi all, this is Kanhara Charundadi. Today I am here to explain the 7th task of the eShop. Today's task is to explain the development of a carousel for the home page using the Bootstrap and JavaScript. The carousel is used to make the home page visually attractive, dynamic by sliding through multiple banner images that highlights offers, promotions or key messages of the eShop website. It automatically slides and can be manually controlled by using next and previous buttons, making it an interactive element. Let's have a look on the HTML structure. So here's the HTML codes. Firstly, the main container, the div with an ID, a class and an attribute. This is the main container. This defines the carousel component and gives it an ID, carousel example indicators for linking controls and indicators. Nextly, we have the indicators. That means this div, the total div here with the 3 buttons. So these small lines at the bottom indicates which row or which slide is active. Each button connects to a specific slide using the data BS slide to attribute. Then comes the slide. You can see the slide here, the entire div given here. Each carousel item is one slide. The first one is marked as the active one. Inside each there is an image. You can see the image tag here. I have linked the image using the src attribute. There is a class for this, and then an optional text caption, the carousel caption, poster title and poster text. For the description or a message, this is used. And then in the bottom we have the controls, which means these are the left and right navigation arrows that let user manually move the slides one another. They use Bootstrap JavaScript features internally through data BS target attribute and data BS slide attribute. CS is used to add some custom styling to the components. Firstly, we'll have a look on the CSS here. These are the CSS classes I have customized by my own. So the poster image, it contains height and a background repeat, and then comes the poster caption. It has a margin bottom, and then poster caption 1, it has a margin bottom, a margin right, and then a poster title, color, font size and font weight. Then have the poster text. It has font size and color. These all are for the slides we have created here. You can see the classes here, the poster image 1, the poster caption, the poster title, the poster text are here as we designed here. And then we have the carousel. So we have a carousel control priv icon, carousel control next icon. That means the 2 controls we have created below the carousel, the previous button and the next button. So for these I have added a flitter invert 100% to display the buttons correctly, and then I have a carousel indicator with a background color of black, and carousel indicator active. Also we have a background color which is slightly a gray one, and then I have the lines to I have mentioned the lines to be black to display in the screen. So here the post image 1 controls the image height and background behavior, post caption, post title and post text. These three are used to customize the text caption, the position, color or the font size. The navigation icons, that means the carousel, control, preview icon and the next icon, are made black by using fritter invert for the visibility, and the carousel indicator, the three lines are styled by background color black important and active stays slightly darker to show which the slide is active. So the role of the JavaScript here is here we don't need to write our own JavaScript because bootstrap.build.js automatically handles. We have added it to our page here. You can see the script and I have linked the bootstrap bundle.js. So it automatically slides because of the database write attribute we have mentioned here. You can see the database write attribute here, and it automatically indicates the synchronization, button controls and pause and resume on hover. These all take place by the bootstrap.bundle.js framework. So Bootstrap's built-in JavaScript gives a dynamic functionality. Responsive of the design is handled as follows. The entire carousel is wrapped in a Bootstrap grid system. You can see we have wrapped this in a div. So here you can see the col 12, d none, d block. These all are used to hide it on a smaller screens and display only on large devices, ensuring it stays responsive and clean. The offset and col 8 keeps the carousel centered on the screen. You can see the carousel is centered on the screen. It's because of this offset and col 8 classes of Bootstrap. And then images are made responsive using image thumbnail. You can see the class image thumbnail is here. So by this the images are made responsive. So I have developed this homepage carousel using Bootstrap built-in component and JavaScript functionality. It automatically slides through images with caption, includes navigation button, indicators and adapts responsively across screen size. Bootstrap's JavaScript file handles all transitions, making the design dynamic and interactive without writing extra JavaScript code. So you can see it automatically slides. If it is not, if we need to move it manually, we can click on this button. This is the next button. By clicking on it, it will move to the next one. If we click on the left side button, it moves to the previous one. So there are three images here. Each carries a message, a caption on its own. And here below here you can see the three lines. These lines indicate the active slide. Now the second slide is active, so the second line is more darker than the other two. And when it moves to the third one, you can see the third has become more dark compared to the first and second. So this is how a carousel is working in an e-commerce website. So I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you.